नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हो? तो आज वी शैल सी हाउ वी कैन मेक योगर्ट, इंडियन स्टाइल योगर्ट, freshly made with beautiful fresh products. So as you can see, I have a beautiful steel container. Always use steel containers, non-lined containers. Do not use aluminum containers. Only use steel, and that too good quality steel containers which are widely available in India. Steel is a nice surface, and the utensils are well made, and the food cooks well. So always use a clean, nicely made steel container for boiling your milk. Okay? Aluminum containers are bad for health. Aluminum has been linked to Alzheimer's and a whole lot of other conditions that are not good for your health. So always use steel containers. Cook in steel or iron containers only. Okay? तो पहले फर्स्ट लेट्स लुक एट हाउ we use our milk. तो पहले, as you can see, this is a gallon container of milk. This is in the US. You can always get the same milk in India or in Europe. So as you can see, here is the calories per a serving size of 240 ml. तो पाव लीटर समझो, तो calories are 150. The total fat is 8 grams. The cholesterol is 35 milligrams. There's sodium, there's protein, which is 8 grams per this serving. Also, when you look at it, you see the total carbohydrates are 12 gram. There is no added sugar. This sugar will be also eaten up by our bacterial cultures once we are culturing our yogurt. Yogurt is mentioned in the Vedas, it's mentioned in the Bible, it's mentioned in most holy texts. Doodh, yogurt, honey are some of the best ingredients in the world. Eat responsibly. So, just like with anything, don't eat too much of one thing, eat in moderation. So, eat good food, eat high quality food, use fresh, pure milk for making this yogurt. So, let's first take a look at what's the history of yogurt. As we have seen, yogurt has been used for thousands of years in the Indian environment. So, this is thought to have originated in Central Asia. Yogurt may first we try to heat the milk to about 85 degrees centigrade or more. Then we cool it down to around 45 degrees centigrade or so. As I said, we don't need to measure our temperatures, but you have a good idea. First what I'm going to do, I'm going to boil this milk, then cool it down to lukewarm temperature. Then I'm going to add my yogurt culture and then cover it up with a nice glass lid, and then put it to ferment in a nice warm place for anywhere between 4 to 12 hours. I usually do about 12 hours. The amount of probiotic bacteria, the lactobacilli, are very high. The yogurt comes out thick and fantastic. It is God's food, so use it. So, going on down, as we have seen, it has been used in multiple parts of the world. We have a huge history in India. Then there is this huge thing about Greek yogurt, which is strained yogurt. Use this yogurt or strain our yogurt, and you'll have a Greek like yogurt. Whichever fits your bill or tickles your senses, do that. Use fresh local milk, use fresh local cultures, use fresh products only. You don't need to have something shipped halfway around the world to eat it and then feel better about it. So yogurt में you have about 80% or more water, you have about 8% or more protein, 5%, 4 to 5% or more fat. I usually only use the regular fat milk. God made regular fat milk for a reason. Once you use skimmed milk or toned milk, a lot of the cancer fighting properties of the fats in your milk go. So my recommendation, always use whole milk. If you want to use the other milks, that is your call. I always recommend and use only 4% or more regular milk. This is great for heart patients, for diabetic patients, for every patient. Okay, God made milk like that for a reason. And we also, in addition with God, make yogurt for a reason in the best way possible. So इसमें you have a bunch of protein, you have some fat which is good fat, you have a lot of energy, you have a huge number of vitamins including vitamin A, vitamin C, a whole bunch of B vitamins, especially the most important being B6 and B12. You also have niacin in addition to thiamine and riboflavin. You have calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus and potassium. You have sodium and zinc, and in addition to that you have selenium also, 9.7 micrograms per 100 grams. Okay, so any interconventions you can easily do, but it is one of the best food products available. Now commercial preparations are supposed to have about 1 million CFU per ml. Ours are obviously much higher. This is traditional, beautifully made Indian yogurt. You can use any of the nice commercials, you can use any of the nice cultures that you have around there, either from personal or from good preparation available in the market. So as you can see, I am heating up my milk. I heat it initially on medium for about 10 to 20 minutes. I don't need to stir constantly, but every couple of minutes I am stirring so the milk proteins don't coagulate and stick to the bottom. It also gives it a beautiful consistency. Then I put it on low and let it steam. That steaming removes a lot of the moisture, so your yogurt gets very creamy and beautiful. I do that almost for about 20 to 30 minutes. If you want, you can do higher heat for a shorter period of time. But whatever fits your bill, you do that. Essentially, we're going to heat our milk beautifully so it boils. I let it boil, then I heat it on low heat for some time. I let it steam up. I keep the lid open. It takes a lot of the volatile components away. Of course, this is pure milk, but it takes some of those volatile elements away. Plus, it also concentrates the milk. So that makes it really beautiful. Then I take my yogurt culture, which is my previous culture, that the yogurt that I made for the last couple of days. I add about 5 to 6 spoons once the milk has cooled down to room temperature or lukewarm temperature. When I stick my finger in, of course, once it's cooled down, right? So after that, I put the lid on. You can close it, you can keep it slightly open. Then I slightly heat up my electric oven and then keep it there for like I said, about 8 to 12 hours. Of course, you want to see in between to see how the progression is. You might need more or less time. I like more time because it gives you a lot more lactobacillus growth, and the food and the yogurt is thick and beautiful and creamy and nice. So, of course, that decision will be up to you. You can use shorter or longer times, you can use higher or lower temperatures. Main thing, we boil our milk, we let it cool down, we add a nice amount of starter culture which already contains the lactobacillus bacteria. So that eats up all the sugar in our yogurt and gets to be beautiful yogurt. I eat yogurt at least 1 to 2 times per day. Sometimes I use it to make lassis. You always don't need to make fruit lassis, but if you like fruit lassis, use pure whole fruit. Don't add sugar. You can add honey to your taste if you like and if you so wish. But I usually like my lassi with a little salt. Instead of white salt, sometimes I actually use Kala Namak, or I can use Himalayan pink salt. So always use the purest ingredients available, use the best quality ingredients available, heat nicely, cool nicely, add your starter culture, and let it be in a nice warm place for about let's say 8 to 12 hours. So your yogurt will come out beautifully. Later on, you can use this yogurt either as yogurt or as lassi or any way that you deem suitable. So make a lot of yogurt, eat a lot of yogurt, not all of it yogurt, but eat a lot of yogurt in your diet. You'll have a lot of probiotics and you will be very healthy and live longer. I hope you have a happy, wonderful day and a happy, prosperous, wonderful life. Vande Matram.